If you suspect someone like a classmate views your Instagram content regularly, such as your pictures, stories, or comments, but never likes or messages you, you can get some insights by checking your story views and account activity. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile. Then tap the plus plus button on your profile to create a story. You can choose a photo or video from your device or select a trending template. I recommend selecting a template for a quicker setup. After selecting your content, tap the arrow button at the bottom right to proceed, then choose your story and tap Done to post it. After some time, tap the Activity or Insights button, usually found on the bottom left or under the menu, to view who has seen your story. While Instagram doesn't show a list of stalkers directly, consistently seeing the same person in your story viewers, even though they never interact, might suggest they frequently check your profile. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.